Precon World is a great synergy to learn a lot of things about what other companies are doing, what are the innovative things that are out there that other companies are also doing, and what we need to do for advancing pre-construction in the industry.
The reason I attended Precon World was really to get with the community here and see what people are doing with the software system and see if we could use some of that knowledge and bring it back to our company and kind of change the way that we do things.
Everybody's been willing to talk about their experiences, more than willing to talk about their successes with the software, their challenges, so I've really enjoyed the openness of everybody conversing and sharing.
The people at Beck Tech are like an extended part of our family. And we know them on a first name basis. They've always had an open door kind of policy. We call them very family and friendly oriented. And for us, it's a perfect mix for culture. And it's also great for our team to come and be amongst their peers and kind of get some validation that the journey we've been on is in some ways similar to what their journey is. And so the struggles are real, but we're succeeding together.